What I love most about design is creating spaces that bring people together. Hi, beautiful people. I am Sara Abdallah, and I am the founder and CEO of Functional Creative Design. We mostly focus on hospitality design, but every once in a while, we get to design a beautiful home in New York City, and this is one of them. This is a Pied-à-Terre, and when our client approached us, he said he wanted it to feel like the dreamiest suite at a boutique hotel. This 25-foot wide limestone mansion was designed by the same firm that did the Frick Collection and the New York City Public Library. The exterior is fashioned in the Beaux-Arts style. And looking at it from the street, you would never guess that inside is this dramatic, sophisticated refuge. Here we are in the living room. We designed this space for easy entertaining. Materials are very important within a space because they create balance. We covered the sofa in mohair. Mohair is so soft and luxurious. This console is from DCNY, and we selected it because of the walnut wood. We really wanted a coffee table that was large enough to eat at, because as you can see, there is no dining room. So this mantle is the focal point of the living room. We kept the original mantle from 1899 and we modernized it by adding inset marble. Here at the window, there's not much of a view, so we added these floor-to-ceiling shears. They accentuate the 18-foot high ceilings while still allowing natural light to come through. The kitchen was designed with tranquility in mind. Again, as a pied-à-terre, it most likely won't be used for holiday feasts. But there are a few key things we did to amp up the style and function. We hung these crystal pendants as a contrast to these historical windows. Our clients love nature, and so we wanted, when they were sitting at the Saarinen table, for them to feel like they're looking out at a garden when enjoying your coffee in these beautiful Carl Hansen chairs. Our clients are big entertainers, so we use this area for wine storage. So why don't we go take a look at the bedroom? If you haven't dressed the bed, you haven't dressed the bedroom. I added these beautiful frette sheets, so soft. This bed frame is from Cassina and it's all leather. By the window, you see floor-to-ceiling, built-in shelving, and our client can add all their accessories to the shelves that they find through their travels. After all, the bedroom is a personal space. I wonder where they're going next. And the lights by the bed, from a designer in California. It reminds the clients of where they're from. We put in this mirror because when you step outside, you need to look good, because this is New York, ready to hit the town. Okay, beautiful humans, thank you for coming and checking out our project. Till the next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.